We like ice cream very much. Ethanol is used to prepare vanilla essence, which enriches the taste of ice cream. Ethanol is used as an antiseptic to sterilize the wounds in our bodies. In our day-to-day life, we use many vehicles. Here, ethanol is used as an antifreeze in automobile radiators. The fuels used in the vehicles are polluting the environment. As the result of improvements in technologies, nowadays we are using power alcohol as a fuel. Power alcohol is the mixture of ethanol and petrol. We should want to gain knowledge about ethyl alcohol because there is an increasing demand for this. Ethanol is prepared from sugarcane. Already we seeing the preparation of sugarcane juice from sugarcane in the shops. Molasses is a thick, dark brown syrupy liquid left after the crystallization of sugar from the sugarcane juice. This raw sugar is used to prepare many sweets. The molasses contains about 30% of sucrose. This sucrose cannot be separated by crystallization, which is converted into ethanol. Now, molasses is a concentrated liquid at first, which is diluted with water to bring 8 to 10% of sugar concentration. Next, add ammonium sulfate or ammonium phosphate, which act as food for yeast during fermentation. These mixtures are collected in a large fermentation tank. Then yeast is added to it. The tank temperature is kept about 303 Kelvin for a few days. In fermentation process, sugar is converted into glucose and fructose by the enzyme invertase. Glucose is converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide by the enzyme zymase. Now we get fermented liquid. This liquid is called wash, which contains 15 to 18% of alcohol and remaining water. This wash is subjected into fractional distillation. After distillation, aqueous solution of ethanol formed, which contains 95.5% of ethanol and 4.5% of water. This is called rectified spirit. The rectified spirit and quicklime allowed to reflux for about 5 to 6 hours and then kept in a rest for 12 hours. On distillation of this mixture obtained 100% of ethanol we get, which is called absolute ethanol.